And today we're at this beautiful dragon bridge and we're here to open Ascended Heroes. So, without further ado, we have 3 chances to get 1 chase. Let's go. Alright, pack 1. We start with the basic energy. Spritzy, Doublade, Halucha, Spupa, Luminosity, Aromatisse, Talonflame, Klefki, Doublade, and Chimpao. Let's see what we get in pack 2. Start with the basic energy. Routes, Tubbolt, Riolu, Dunsparce, Forest of Vitality, Mimikyu, Salazzle, Thick Scale, Grubbin, Koraidon. Oh my god, wait. Hopefully the Dragonite is in pack 3. Let's see. Pack 3. Okay, we start with the basic energy. Rufflet, Tynamo, Silcoon, Drugcloak, Banette, Urbane, Dustox, Fan Rotom, Frostmoth, and